My dear students, today we are going to discuss lesson 18 wastewater story. All of us use water in our homes and make it dirty. Actually, do you know what is wastewater? We know that water is the most precious and important thing that all living things need to survive. And you need water to drink, and that water has to be clean and germ free. And there are so many other things we absolutely need water for. In lower classes onwards, we have already studied what are the uses of water. We need water to grow our food and to keep our body, clothes, houses and surroundings clean. Do you know what is cleaning of water? Before that, we have to know what is wastewater, isn't it? Clean water is a basic need of human beings, but unfortunately, clean water is not available to many humans. The water which gets contaminated after various works like washing, bathing, mopping, etc. is called wastewater. And we know that we are celebrating World Water Day on 22nd March. People, those who are not getting clean water, actually they are using dirty water to fulfill their needs. This leads to various health problems and waterborne diseases. The General Assembly of the United Nations announced 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. Actually, there is a name for this. This action aimed to reduce by half the number of people who do not have access to safe drinking water. Now we know that what is wastewater. Then how do we clean this water? Nowadays we install filters in our kitchen or we use alum to clean the water. What these things do is basically they settle the dirt in the water, and this process is called cleaning of water. Cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutants before it enters a water body or is reused. This process of wastewater treatment is commonly known as sewage treatment. It takes place in several stages. Do you know how water becomes dirty? The water that we use gets mixed with soap, shampoo, detergent, dirt and many other things when we use it. And this dirty water is called wastewater. The next one we have to study sewage. Actually, sewage is the wastewater released by homes, industries, hospitals, etc. And sewage is a liquid waste. It contains dissolved and suspended impurities, and these impurities are called contaminants. You must have seen manholes on roads and in your buildings. Actually, there is a huge transport system that carries this sewage. Sewage, what is sewage? It is a liquid waste. And there are many small pipes that collect sewage from the origin to the point of disposal. So, we could see a network of big and small pipes. And the pipe which carries the wastewater is called sewer, and the network of sewers is called sewerage. It is like a transport system that carries sewage from the point of being produced to the point of disposal, that is treatment plant. Next topic is treatment plants that we can discuss in our next class. So thank you.